TDAP is organizing its first ever Food and Agriculture Manufacturing exhibition at the Expo Centre Lahore from the 26th to the 28th of February. The aim is to promote agriculture exports of Pakistan, which Alhamdulillah has already achieved a remarkable increase last year. We experienced 60% increase, and the first time in the history of Pakistan, our agriculture exports touched $8 billion. So to further enhance the export, we have planned this expo. The idea is to enhance the technology transfer and value addition in the agro products. To achieve the objective, we have invited more than 100 national companies from across Pakistan. Similarly, and more importantly, we've invited around 40 international companies. The biggest delegation that will be coming from abroad will be from South Korea, where we have invited almost 17 companies which are dealing in the agriculture technology. Similarly, 11 companies will be participating from China. There will be participation from United States of America, Japan, Argentina, Italy, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia, inshallah. So we'll be able to develop partnerships and joint ventures in the agriculture sector, and that is the main aim of our expo. So we invite all of you to come and do join us on this expo, which is scheduled to start on the 26th of February at the Expo Centre Lahore. Thank you very much.